Hey y'all, sometimes it's just too doggone late to be cooking on the griddle. I need some searchlights or spotlights or something, but it's too late to cook. But look at that beautiful sky. And we do have a George Foreman grill in the house, which makes delicious meat, by the way. And we'll actually probably cook something on that. The emergency backup griddle. Yeah. So, anyway, sorry to disappoint you. There will be no griddling tonight. But we have the stars. We have the night. Why are you doing that? There it is. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you all have a great night. Bye!